Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix do not disturb keeps turning on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. Make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off this mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.